Hello everyone, this tutorial is going to teach you how to liquidity provide with Secret and Shade to earn passive APR rewards. Now we're going to do this liquidity providing on SecretSwap, and so your first step is to navigate to secretswap.net. Your next step is to click on Use SecretSwap. Now this tutorial assumes that you've already purchased a little bit of Shade and you also have Secret in order to be able to liquidity provide on SecretSwap. So you're going to want a 50-50 split between Shade and Secret. You'll kind of have to do the math on your own on that front, but once you own Shade and Secret, you're eligible to become a liquidity provider. And so here's your next step. Once you have enough Secret for gas and you have both Shade and Secret, you'll go ahead and go to the Earn page. On the Earn page, you'll go ahead and scroll down here until you find the Secret Shade pool, which is currently offering 46% APR. So we're going to go ahead and click on this tab here. Now, first thing we're going to do is click on View Balance. We need to generate a viewing key for the swap LP token attached to all of this. We'll go ahead and click on Submit. Go ahead and approve. And that should just take a moment here. Alright, congratulations. We'll also want to create a viewing key for the withdraw button over here. Go ahead and submit. So this views how much we have available to deposit into the LP pool, and the viewing key we're generating just now shows us our LP tokens that we're able to withdraw from the pool. So great. You're on the Earn page, you've generated both your viewing keys for the LP pool. But before we can go ahead and actually deposit our LP tokens into this Earn page, we need to generate the LP tokens. So let's go ahead and go back to the pool page. On the pool page, we're going to go ahead and we have Secret selected. We're going to go ahead and select SHD Shade for the other side of this. And we're going to click on Max. We want to liquidity provide the max amount of Shade with this Secret available to generate this LP token that we're going to earn passive rewards on. So we got to go ahead and click Approve Secret. We'll click Approve there. And we're also going to click on Approve Shade in just a moment once that first transaction goes through. Alright, so that one was approved right there. Let's go ahead and click on Approve Shade. This approval process essentially gives the contract permission to, grab from our Shade and Secret balances. And now that we've approved both, we're going to go ahead and click on Provide. Great. So we've just generated our LP token by providing some Secret and some Shade. Let's go ahead and view our LP token balance. Remember, we created the viewing key earlier, so now we can see, hey, we have 0.087681 swap LP, which is attached to our Secret Shade tokens. So let's go ahead and navigate back to the Earn page and scroll down here to the Secret Shade pool, and now we have 0.087681 LP tokens available to liquidity provide. So let's go ahead and liquidity provide there. Sometimes when you click on 100%, there's a little bit of a bug, so I just like to enter in the max amount and then just take a couple decimal points off to make sure that it goes through. Go ahead and click on this Earn button right here, hit Approve there. And now you'll notice it says that we have staked our Secret Shade LP tokens in the rewards contract, and just like that, we're already starting to earn our CFI rewards. You're earning passive revenue by providing liquidity to the Secret Shade pair.